Guys, I have a confession. I am a procrastinator. But the good news is I figured out how to stop procrastinating. And by the end of this video, you will too. We've all been there. You knew you needed to get up early, but you hit the snooze button instead. You knew you needed to exercise, but you watched TV instead. You knew you needed to study, but you scrolled through social media instead. You procrastinated. But here's the truth. None of this is your fault. That's because your brain takes the easy route. And it's not just me saying it, it's a productivity expert.
The way that our minds are wired and the fact about human beings is that we are not designed to do things that are uncomfortable or scary or difficult. Our brains are designed to protect us from those things.
But what if I told you there was a way you could trick your brains into making harder choices, getting shit done, and living the life you always dreamed of? A hack so powerful that when you start using it, you will completely cut procrastination out of your life. It's called the 5-second rule. Here's how it works. The second that you get an idea to do something productive,
I really need to practice my guitar.
start counting from 5 to 1. This interrupts the habit loop, and it activates the prefrontal cortex, which is the part that helps you take action.
Mitch, there's no way that something this simple works.
When you go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, it interrupts what's going on here that's spinning without you thinking. When you hit 1, your habit has been interrupted. So you've interrupted self-doubt. You've interrupted maybe snapping at your kids. You've interrupted procrastination.
So I put it to the test. In the last 24 hours, every decision I made, I used the 5-second rule. Here's what happened. In the morning, I wanted to hit the snooze button. I counted down from 5. And even though I was tired and I wanted to snooze, I got up. At noon, I needed to do my workout, so I started counting. To you. Oh, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Listen, I gotta go. Soon enough, I had my running shoes on and I started running. In the afternoon, I needed to finish editing a video, so I used the 5-second rule again. I turned the TV off, turned my computer on, and went to work. It works! In 24 hours, I stopped looking for excuses and my productivity skyrocketed. This gave me more time to go to the lake, climb a mountain, and hang out with my friends. After realizing how powerful the 5-second rule is, I knew that the world needs to hear about this. Start using it and watch your life change as you reach every goal you set. Who would have thought that counting, something so simple, would help you stop procrastinating and get shit done?
You better make sure you share this video. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, what are you waiting for?